All right, y'all, so we in the freaking '03 Mustang right here, the little V6, you feel me? And as y'all can see, the floors are literally soaking wet. I mean, like, literally, it literally just smells like water, bro, like carpet water. It, like, literally doesn't even stink, bro. It just smells like water, but it's gonna start stinking. So I'm about to go ahead and get the passenger seat out. I don't know if I even know where it's leaking from, but I used a shop vac to basically get all the water out. Got it pretty dry up, and then it gets soaked again, so I don't really know. It's probably something to do with my AC. Maybe I can like try not to use my AC for a minute. I found out removing my seat's pretty easy. I mean, I took this thing off. Literally all you have to do is just get under. You have to like get under the plastic and like lift up. You just lift up, pop it out of place. Oh my gosh. There's so much water under there. It's all under my freaking carpet. No! All right, y'all, so we got these two things out. But as y'all can see, there's these big-ass bolts right there that I have to take out. So let me go get my $2. So we got a 5/8 right here. And from my knowledge, this should be it. It should work. All right, y'all, so it's mad rusty and hard to get out. So we got a bit of extension here. Give it some more leverage. You feel me? Some more leverage. It's just some more leverage. Oh, bro, I'm trying to use this. This is mad loose. Give me something like a, what is this? A 15? This is what I do oil changes with. There we go. That's way better. Do we have a size that can fit? No, we don't. We have a 17, but we need a 15. All right, bro, we back. Bro, so we got this freaking 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. So what I could do is put this on here. So look, now we have this on here. Now we can connect this. Yes, sir. Now, let's get it. Let's get it. No way. Oh my God, chat. I just broke this. I just snapped this. I just snapped this shit. So chat, I don't think I did the right thing. You got a freaking wrench. And we just have to go ahead and take out these little bolts right here, these little nuts right here. The only stableness on the seat now is the front, so I cannot put this seat back in the car. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm cooked. We got both of them out. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. Oh my gosh, there's so much room. Holy shit, bro. I could just stand right. Yo, this is fire. Now, we need to figure out, so I'm getting word that my door ceiling is bad. So, if my ceiling on my door is bad, then how is it only that? Why does it stop right here? So, the reason I feel like it's not leaking from up here and it's leaking from under, bro, is because how is the floor only wet right here? It's not wet anywhere right here. It's not wet right here. So if it got through the window, wouldn't this wet? This would be wet right here too, right? But I don't know. I could be wrong. Look at that, chat. Look at all that water, bro. I just took this part out of the car. Oh my God. I'm not going to do this right now, bro. I'm going to have to find another day. But I'm probably going to cut all this out, to be honest. I'm probably just going to cut the shit, bro. Let me go ahead and put this back in, bro. We have this truck bed lining. It's basically used for truck beds. You spray it on the truck bed. It adds that rust and corrosion, like water protection layer on top of the truck bed. So instead of it just being metal, you add this on top and it adds that extra layer. And you might be wondering what I'm doing, but you might have an idea, obviously. As y'all can see, dude, we're getting it all in there, bro. I don't know if we were supposed to get it on these wires, but we got it everywhere, bro. Some places I kind of drenched. Like, I got a lot more right there. Right there, it's going to be drying a lot more. Hey, y'all, so if you're doing this, bro, wear an actual mask. This shirt is not doing the job, bro. And you really need a mask, bro, because, dude, this actually fills up your car so fast, bro. Let me show y'all, bro. Trying to get around these corners. Make sure every little spot has a coating. As y'all can see, bro, that smoke is coming in quick. And it's so strong. It's like strong ass spray paint, bro. This is like stronger than normal spray paint. Do not inhale this, bro. So this is why I'm leaking, bro. This thing right here has a leak. It's dripping water, bro. So, yeah, so we're spraying this. And then I actually have to flex seal on top of this. So I can flex seal that up for a temporary. Oh, no. No. Hopefully I didn't put too much. Dude, that looks way better though, bro. Bro, if y'all saw what it looked like just before, bro, I'll show a picture. Yeah, this actually looked fire, no cap. We got a little bit right here and stuff, but that's all right. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, it's fully dried in here, bro. It's literally everywhere, bro. We got it everywhere. It looks really nice, actually. Compared to what it was before, this looks mad nice. As y'all know, my AC was leaking, and it was this thing right here had a crack in it. Water was coming out, so I ended up seeing more leakage. So I decided to get some waterproof flex seal tape, and as you can see, honestly, if it still leaks, bro, I don't even know what to say. But as you can see, we've got some insulation down. I did my best. I got it pushed down, as you can see, all around the little edges. Got some extra pieces to kind of fill in. This is gonna help it, get rid of some of that sound and also some of the heat coming. We have a little bit more left to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the last bit of insulation I got. It's actually inside. It's another strip of this, and we're gonna go ahead and finish that off. I just vacuumed my car, but I'm probably gonna give it an extra vacuum after I'm done. All right, y'all, so we got this extra bit of insulation. This should honestly fit from back there all the way to like right here. Move. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get this down. The rest of the insulation is set down in there. Let's just go ahead and do a little. Yo, so we got everything done here, y'all. It's fully insulated throughout all the flooring. And here, multiple layers. As you can, there's multiple layers. Some places like right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here in the middle, multiple layers.